A sharp fine-tooth handsaw is a great tool when you're just cutting a few pieces of molding. However, it can actually become a problem when you're just trying to cut a ½ inch or so off to get it to fit exactly into place. The tension from the saw blade can pop off the waste piece and cause an uneven and sloppy cut. So here's a quick tip for solving that problem. Now clamp the board to a wider scrap board and make sure that the end of the board extends out past the end of the molding. Now when you're cutting, use smooth straight strokes and cut through the molding partially into the scrap board. The board will provide a rigid support for the molding and help prevent the waste piece from breaking off before you've sawed all the way through. You also need to be careful not to force your saw on the downstroke, or the blade will tend to flex and pop off that waste piece even with the support board in place. Now, cutting off small portions of molding this way will help you get a smooth and precise cut each and every time.